What's up, everybody? It's Andrew. We've got another exciting update for Conversation AI. This is a tiny but powerful update that's going to allow us to edit a Conversation AI's activity or inactivity status per contact, per conversation. Super exciting. Let me show you how it works. So we are going to be in the Conversations tab on any of our sub accounts. We've got the Conversation AI enabled for this account, and we will see on any of our conversations, for example, this one, we've got this little icon at the bottom right-hand side of our Conversation tab that says Conversation AI is active. Click to edit. And if we click this, we can change where the Conversation AI bot is active, inactive, or when it will be active in the future. So for example, we can change this from active to inactive. And what this is going to do is reactivate the bot after default by 24 hours. And we can change this to however many minutes, hours, or days we would like, or we can just turn this off entirely. Now, what's really cool about this is after we change this setting, then we'll see that this says the Conversation AI bot is inactive, but this doesn't change it across all contacts. We can change it to be on for some contacts, off for others. For example, this one is a customer that replied stop, and the Conversation AI automatically went inactive. But for other conversations where maybe we do want it on, we can click those and we'll see that the Conversation AI is still active by seeing this green little bubble, but of course we can change it per conversation, per contact. So this is a really cool way for us to enable or disable Conversation AI depending on which contact it's talking to really easily, and we can specify it per contact to make sure that we're using it for the right conversations. This is a really powerful feature, tiny but mighty. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment, and as always, thank you for watching.